Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am sharing some common organizing mistakes. And this is what I call storing things in the wrong place. Storing things in the wrong place. So when you think about setting up an organizing system, you want to put the things you use most frequently in your most convenient locations. So that would include the surface of your desk and the drawers you can reach without having to get up out of your chair, or the shelves in the kitchen cabinets that you can reach without having to climb on a stool, or the parts of your closet that are easily accessible as opposed to the ones that may be behind the wall. A lot of us call these spaces your prime real estate, and you want to treat these spaces like royalty. An item, I say, has to justify its real estate. So if you want to keep something that you don't use very frequently, that's fine. Don't put it in your prime real estate. If you have a kitchen gadget that you use once a year, it doesn't need to go on a convenient shelf. If you have maybe some clothing that you're keeping for sentimental reasons, but you're never going to wear it, it doesn't need to go in your closet. It can go in a container in an attic or maybe in a less frequently used closet on a shelf. So be really careful about where you put things. The items you use most frequently should be most accessible, and then work backwards from there. You don't want to have to be crawling, climbing, bending, creeping to get the things you use most.